Hello, my name is Daniel Durso, and in this video I'll be walking you through the testing phase of my utility web application. Firstly, I conducted thorough feature testing for all the core tools, the unit converter, calculator, currency converter, and note system. I tested each user interaction, submitting forms, clicking buttons, login, logout session, and database operation, just trying to ensure that everything was behaving exactly as expected. So to begin with here for the unit converter, I wanted to ensure that the inputs for the value would act appropriately if either nothing was put in or incorrect value was put in. It's currently set to numbers only. If you go ahead and try to submit that with a blank value, it gives you the please fill out this field error message, and it actually does not allow you on Google Chrome to actually even enter an alphabetic input at all. For the calculator, I wanted to ensure as well that that could handle errors correctly. We can see if I try to put in an incorrect function, just 5 plus plus, that'll go ahead and give us the error message as well. The currency converter behaves similarly to the unit converter. It will not allow you to actually enter an alphabetic input. And if you put in a just blank field like this, it will give you this error message as well. For the notes section, I again wanted to just ensure that all the CRUD operations were working. You could add, read, edit, and delete. So we can go ahead and just make a quick new note here, which is added successfully. Try editing it. Work successfully again, and then just try deleting it. So this all worked as expected and successfully. The next thing I wanted to ensure was that browser compatibility was going to work across multiple different browsers. So I tested the entire application on Chrome, Firefox, and Safari, checking for responsiveness and UI behavior. And this was consistent across all browsers. You can go ahead and take a look now on Firefox. On Firefox, it looks almost exactly the same as it does for us on Google Chrome. However, one difference that I did notice is if you try to insert alphabetic inputs into the value, it will allow you to do it on Firefox. However, when you go to convert, it will just give you the error message of please enter a number, and Safari does the same thing as well. When we check on Safari, we'll even check that out in our mobile view. So here's our unit converter. And again, it will allow you to put in the alphabetic input. However, when you go to convert, it will ask you just to enter the number. You get that error message. And same thing as well, when you try to enter it with nothing in it, it will give you the fill out this field. And we can just take a quick look again through some of the other ones just to make sure everything looks correct and is working correctly. Calculator's working good. Currency converter looks correct. And notes looks correct. This was looked over again in my final walkthrough of the entire application, just like an end user would. I signed up, logged in, used each utility, saved and deleted notes, and tested logout behavior. And this whole end-to-end run helped me confirm that everything is working properly. At this point now, I feel that the utility web application is stable and it's ready for its final deployment and documentation, which I look forward to showing you next week. Thank you very much.